Hello students, welcome to your English class. Today let us learn the prose Unit 5, A Chat with a Grasshopper. The author is not known, so it is mentioned as anonymous. Let us learn the new words that you come across in this chapter. Foe, F-O-E, foe is an enemy. Toxic is poisonous. Mate means friend. Snap is move. Hind at the back. Usually the insects and animals at the back we say hind legs. So at the back. Weird is strange. Dine is eat. Weed a wild plant. Striped marked with a long narrow lines. On the body of the zebras or animals you have seen, that's called as striped. In this chapter, students of class 6th of some school they go out to a park with their teacher and they happen to see a grasshopper. And here the children converse with the grasshopper and that makes the theme of this lesson, a chat with the grasshopper. Here on the screen you can see the page number 75 of the textbook. You need to refer to your page number 75, 76, 77 and 78 for the lesson as I go on with the explanation. See, one day the students of class 6th visited a park with their class teacher. All of them enjoyed and played well in the park. When the children went out with their class teacher to a park, they enjoyed and played well in the park. While they were playing and enjoying, few of the names are mentioned here. Roshan, Tina, Rani and Ani saw a green insect flying around and sitting on the stem of a tree. So what do they find? When the students of class 6 were playing out in the park, they see some insect flying around which is green in color and they were surprised to see it. They slowly went near the insect. So what kind of insect was that? Let us see now. As soon as the student sees the insect, their curiosity grows up. So each one converses with one another. Raju says, "Wow, what a beautiful insect." And Ramya says, "May I know your name, please?" So now Hoppy responds, "I am a summertime singer. I have several legs and eyes. I am farmer's friend. Can you guess who I am?" So now there's a riddle by Hoppy. Hoppy wants the children to tell who the person is now. Raju, you are Midate. So he says in Kannada now. Hoppy. Yes, I am a grasshopper. So now who is Hoppy here? Hoppy is a grasshopper. And what is grasshopper called in Kannada? It's called as Midate. Rani. Where do you live? Where can we find you? Hoppy. I live in different places. You can find me everywhere. You will find 11,000 to 18,000 varieties of grasshoppers in this world. So Rani wants to know where exactly the grasshopper lives. And the grasshopper says that it lives in different places and it can be found everywhere. And there were around 11,000 to 18,000 varieties of grasshoppers in the whole world. Raju. Okay, dear. Tell me how you fly. So Raju wants to know from the Hoppy how it flies. Hoppy. I have two sets of wings for flying. Do you have wings, children? So Hoppy asks the students whether they have wings, but it has got two sets of wings. Ani. No, we don't have wings. We want to fly like you. So Ani wants to say that it doesn't have, though they don't have wings, but still they have the desire to fly like a grasshopper. Hoppy. Okay, I will teach you how to fly. So Hoppy says it can teach them to fly. Children, when we see the birds flying in the sky, we also would have a desire to fly, right? So Hoppy asks, "Children, would you like to fly like a grasshopper?" Yes, all the friends are happy and dream of flying with the grasshopper. Children got into the dreamy mood now. Ramya. We have two legs to walk, jump and run, around. How many legs do you have? So Ramya wants to know that as human beings have two legs to walk, jump and run, how many legs does a grasshopper have? Hoppy. I have three pairs of strong legs. I can jump and walk like you. So how many pairs does a grasshopper have? How many pairs of legs? Three pairs of strong legs. That means six legs. Three pairs. Pair means two. In one pair you will find two. So Rani, Hoppy, how do you escape from enemies? A valid question to be asked. Hoppy, oh, they can't catch me so easily. I have five eyes and a pair of antennae. The antenna helps me to sense danger and I will swiftly escape, says Hoppy. So what does it say? Nobody can catch the grasshopper easily because it has five eyes and a pair of antenna. What's an antenna? It's like a thing kept on the head. So the antenna helps me to sense danger. Whenever there is a danger, this antenna gives a message to the grasshopper and it will swiftly escape. Swiftly is quickly. Ramya, now you are not trying to escape from us, are you? So Ramya wants to know, is grasshopper sensing danger from the children? So it wants to escape. Hoppy, I am your friend, right? I trust you. I am not scared. So Hoppy is feeling secure in the midst of the children. It says that now it has become the friend to the children. So it will trust all the children and it is not scared of the children playing around there. So the children and Hoppy start playing. Raju, observing the body of the Hoppy, he says, Hoppy, we have 2 ears. Do you also have ears? So Raju has a question and he wants to know how many ears does a grasshopper has. Continuing with the conversation, Hoppy says, I don't have ears like you, but the antenna helps me to pick up vibrations from the air and the ground. So like all human beings, grasshoppers doesn't have ears, but the antenna which it has will pick up the vibrations from the air. Vibrations is the sound from the air and even from the ground. Ramya, Hoppy, I'm very hungry. Rani, Raju, Annie and I are going out for lunch. Would you like to join us for lunch? So Ramya says that she is very hungry and she calls all her friends that they are going out for lunch and even invites Hoppy to join them for lunch. Hoppy, no, I won't eat idlis, dosa, rice or chapati like you. I eat plants, wheat, oat, corn and barley. So what is the food of Hoppy? Hoppy doesn't eat like idlis, dosa or chapatis like human beings. It eats what? Plants, wheat, like all corns and grains it eats. Rani, it's getting late. Ma'am will scold us. We need to go. Nice to meet you, Hoppy. Bye. So it's the time for them to move back with their teacher. So Rani says it's getting late and the teacher would be calling them and would scold if they are late. So they need to go and she says that it was nice meeting Hoppy and they all say bye to Hoppy and move. Hoppy, nice to meet you too. Bye. Take care. See you soon. So Hoppy is also happy spending the day with the children and it also says goodbye to the students. Now, there are some more facts about the grasshoppers. Let us read it here. The body of grasshoppers have an exoskeleton, which means the skeleton is on the outside of their body. Like we all have skeleton inside our body, but grasshoppers have it outside their body. The grasshopper also has three pairs of very strong legs. They can walk and jump 20 times the length of their body. And it's a music maker. If you hear a chirp, chirp on a summer's night, it could be a male grasshopper trying to attract a mate or warn off other males. They do this by rubbing their back against their forewing. Other grasshoppers, like the band-winged grasshopper, will snap hand wings. This makes a weird crackling sound. Some strange sound it makes. So this is all about grasshopper, a chat with the grasshopper.